time for a life update, not only just a small life update, but a major one. So I am not in Miami anymore, at least for the next couple of months. I packed up my house. I'm gonna put it back on the market. I am right now in an Airbnb. I was really sad to say goodbye. That place in Miami was an answer to prayer. It was totally God's provision, and it was just such a safe space for me to land whenever I moved from New York. I have a lot to tell you guys. It's been a crazy season, and I think I've battled with God a little bit lately because I knew that he wanted me to leave Miami for a little while, and I didn't really understand why until yesterday. Like I said, I packed everything up and I was like, well, where am I going? Like, what do you want me to do? And I kind of didn't hear anything. I just knew that I needed to be still, and I've been really tired. Like, I've been really tired to the point of exhaustion, and it's crazy because I'm so healthy. I eat well, I hardly drink, and I just like 20 minutes ago filmed this video talking about my skin, and this is me without the makeup, and my skin is being crazy, and I'm like, what's going on? I think part of the reason that God wanted me to get away was just to be still, and as soon as I got here yesterday, I found out that I have an autoimmune disease, Hashimoto's, and it's serious. And it kind of makes sense as to why everything's been going on, why I'm so tired all the time. And I think this is really just going to be a good catalyst, just to be still and to get my health in check, because without your health, man, like you have nothing. You got Jesus, but you need your health, man. You need your health. So I'm going to really be getting that into check. And I found this place. I just booked a big Airbnb for a couple of months right on the beach, and this place is beautiful, and I'm so blessed to have some extra rooms. So I'm definitely going to get some friends to come stay with me, and I'm just going to use this time to just be still, get my health back, work out as much as I can. My energy's really low right now. To work on my music, I have so many songs that I started writing over the last year. I think probably like 15 songs that I've just never finished. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna spend time in the sun and try to get healthy again, see the right doctors, take this seriously because it is serious. I don't feel good. I knew that I wasn't feeling well, but I didn't know that I was, if there was a real health concern. And honestly, it's hard when you hear God speak and you walk in obedience, and you're like, all right, well, like, now what's next? And I think for the first time in my whole life, I don't know what's next. Like, this is what I've organized, and I feel like, you know what? I've told you guys, I've been burnt out. I've been doing different things. I've been launching different businesses. Man, I'm tired. But I feel like God is just saying, like, be still. Just be still and know that I'm God. Be still and just spend time with me. Be still. So that is what this chapter is for me. I'm just going to be vlogging more. I'm just going to get back to what I used to love. I used to love it. I'm just going to get back to just filming more long form videos and actually bringing you guys into my life and my world. And that is my little life update. I left Miami for now. Who knows if I'll be back. That is going to be hopefully answered in the next couple months. But for now, I'm just going to focus on my health. Focus on being still. Focus on, just God's goodness. And yeah. That's my update, you guys. I love you. The crazy thing is, with YouTube is like, we do so much life together. I brought you guys along with so many different things, and I think as much as I'm unsure about this season, I think truly I'm actually really excited about it. I think it's gonna be a good one. I love you.